brand is hosting a birthday party for the ages since, of course, turning 40 means getting new trainers. Even more outrageous is the Air Jordan 11 Holiday 2025 collection. Rumor has it that there will be 3 more limited edition colorways added to the already insane lineup that includes the Gamma Blue and Grand Finale. Let's introduce Canvas and Football Blue, Canyon Purple and Off Noir, and Sail and Sport Royal. Your holiday wish list has become more intricate, indeed. The traditional Bred or Concord pairs are not these. Nope, these colorways appear to be designed to be the talk of every Christmas gathering. Sneaker sources speculate that these could be released in a themed pack, however the specifics are still under wraps. Anticipate exclusivity, daring vibes, and lots of turmoil among sneakerheads. Adult sizes are said to price for $250 each, so get your patience and your checkbook ready. We are only able to wait and reload our feeds in the absence of Jordan Brand's official photographs or confirmation.